everyone, welcome to Huawei Daily episode. Number 1. Huawei has published a new patent related to automatic driving navigation technology on June 1st with the publication number CN1080272422B. It was applied back in 2015 in China. The patent document describes an automatic driving navigation method, device, system, vehicle device, and server. Number 2. Huawei South Africa will start the pre-order for the Huawei Band 6 from the 11th of June with a big discount of R200 on making advance payment. Number 3. A well-known Vivo tipster disclosed that Huawei MatePad 11 tablet goes into mass production. It equips with Snapdragon 865 processor, 2K low bezel LCD screen, 2 refresh rate options of 60 and 120 Hz, as well as a Wi-Fi network variant. On the other hand, the 10.8-inch version equips Snapdragon 870 and will come with a Wi-Fi option. Number 4. A report coming from the Chinese media reveals that the president of Huawei Consumer Business Group Software Department said at a seminar that over 9 million devices are currently running on HarmonyOS operating system, and the company set a big aim to install HarmonyOS in 1.23 billion smart devices in the coming year. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Also, leave your thoughts in the comment section. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel for the fastest notification on the latest news. Also, don't forget to visit HuaweiCentral.com.